Line of best fit, centroid. The centroid of a scatter plot uses the average of x and the average of y. So our notation to show for centroid is this. We have x and y with these bars on top of x and y. So that's how we indicate it. Now, what's again average? Well, average is when we add, and so we add up all our values and then divide by the number of values. So let's look at some examples to show. Example 1. So let's find the centroid of this. So we're given the age and the height. So our age is going to be our x and our height is going to be y. So what we need to do is just add up all the ages together. So we need to add up 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14. So let's just get our calculators out. So 5 plus 8 plus 11 plus 14, which is equal to 38. Then let's go ahead and add up all the heights. So 38 plus 45 plus 51 plus 55, which is equal to 189. Then, so we add up all the x's and the y's. Then what we need to do is then take x bar, right? Divide this, we got 38, and we divide it by 4. The reason is that we have 4 samples of data. So we go 38, we'll just go ahead and divide it by 4. So 38 divided by 4, which is equal to 9.5. What's our y bar? Well, we have 189. We have the same number of samples, so that's 4. So 189 divided by 4, and we're given 47.25. So let's show. So x bar, y bar, which is equal to 9.5, and then 47.25. Now let's do another example. Example 2. A student wanted to collect a classmate's data to see how the number of hours studied for a test and the test score is related. Student A studied for 2 hours and got a 42%. So let's kind of like put this. So let's go x, and we have y. So we have 2 hours and got a 42%. Student B studied for 5 hours and got a 67%. So let's go 5 and 67. Student C studied for 9 hours and got a 91%. Student D studied for 7 hours and got an 83%. So we'll go 7 and then 83. And then student E studied for 4 hours and got a 59%. So 4 hours, 59%. So we're going to find the centroid of the 5 students' data and express your answer as a point x and y. So let's go ahead and just add up our x's. So we'll show So we'll get our calculators out. Let's go 2 plus 5 plus 9 plus 7 plus 4, and we get 27. So x bar would be 27 to find the average. How many data points do we have? We have 5. So let's go 27 divided by 5, and we get 5.4. Now let's add up all our y's first before we divide. So 42 plus 67 plus 91 plus 83 plus 59 is equal to 342. So y bar is then 342 divided by 5. So let's go ahead and divide it by 5 and we get 68.4. So x bar, y bar is equal to then 5.4 and then 68.4. So this would be our solution.